Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my wild style. Remember, God loves you. We're going to make some keto biscuits today. Let's get it done. Mix in 1.5 cups almond flour, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now mix these ingredients together and set aside. I have half a cup of yogurt here, but you could use sour cream. Either one of them will work. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix these ingredients to combine. Now we need 2 eggs. Don't forget, all of my free recipes are in the drop down. Just screenshot them and print them out. That is my gift to you. Now let's mix in these dry ingredients. Now go grab your ice cream scoop, oil each liner, and fill each biscuit with the batter. Now tap your tray on the counter and make sure all the air pockets are gone. And bake these in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. The house is filled with this amazing smell. I wish you could be here. You know me and the husband, we can't resist. We tried to eat one as soon as it was out of the oven, and it was too hot and the cheese was melting to the paper, so let these cool for 10 minutes. Other than that, these biscuits are spot on. They are so moist and delicious, and the paper comes right off when you allow them to cool. These biscuits would be so versatile too. Add some blueberries or some lemon flavor and zest to it with some poppy seeds. Wow, these are so cheesy, moist, and delicious. These have the most perfect bread consistency. You can see all the air pockets in it, and it looks just like bread. Kind of tastes like cornbread too. Look how soft these are. You know, keto people are always hungry for bread, and we are always trying new recipes, but just for some reason, when I thought about sour cream or yogurt, I think that was the ticket for these biscuits. Try them out as soon as you can. As always, thanks for watching the video, and may God bless you.